Introducing apps on notebooks. Notebooks empower data scientists to create powerful predictive analytics applications, requiring them to maintain a comprehensive repository of Jupyter or Databricks notebooks. However, users often face challenges in accessing these notebooks, configuring them, collaborating effectively, and seamlessly publishing analytics reports. Sparkflows makes it extremely easy for business users to access the notebooks through a modular interface. The app front end is built with no-code, low-code point-and-click widgets. And it can drive powerful solutions like energy forecasting and anomaly detection. The notebook developer just needs to use a simple SDK to transform the notebook modules into app stages. The end users are empowered with powerful features of analytical apps. Get going with Sparkflows, where powerful insights and happy users meet.